On August 28th, we were hit by a Hurricane Nora here in the Puerto Vallarta area. These are some of the images and videos that I was able to take of the after effects. This is actually in my terrace, and I'm going to show you a little bit of my neighborhood. Did suffer a few trees that fell. Thankfully not on top of any of the houses. We did not have any water damage or anything like that. The only thing that we were affected by is no electricity for up to 30 hours or so. And this is why I'm uploading this video so late. We just got literally the electricity back like last night. So these are some of the trees that fell. One of them was actually it fell and it was blocking our entry and exit of our neighborhood. So one of the neighbors had to cut it down in parts to make just room enough for a vehicle to cross by. Other than that, the main areas that got damaged are alongside the Rio Cuale, the River Cuale, which runs close to the Canopy River, where you do those tours that I always recommend. The ATV tours, the ziplining, all the way, the river crosses all the way to the Malecon area and dumps the water into the ocean. So in the downtown area, Malecon area, there's a bridge where the vehicles cross. One of the bridges collapsed, so that area is closed off. Some other streets are closed off. Other than that, it doesn't seem like any of the other areas that are touristy, like the romantic zone, have really been damaged too much. The houses, businesses that were alongside that river have been affected. Yesterday, everybody was working hard and volunteering to clear up the streets. They were like super muddy, like a mudslide. And other than that, it's just been a few trees and, leaves that fall, branches that have fallen. Everything's been clearing up. The entryway to the Canopy River is completely shut down. So for sure that tour is going to be closed off for I don't know how long. But definitely, I know I get so many questions on if you guys should cancel your trip. You're already coming this week. How is it going to be? Today has been a beautiful and sunny day. I'm actually fixing to do a live stream here on YouTube later on tonight, probably around 7 p.m. Central Time. If you want to join me, I'm going to walk around all these streets around the Malecon downtown area so that you can see how it is, comparing it to today, and see how fast everybody is getting to clear up the streets and everything, for everything to go back to normal. So y'all are welcome to join me on this live stream later on tonight here on YouTube at around 7 p.m. hopefully weather permitting. And thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in my next one.